Are you still struggling to get your YouTube videos noticed? Want to unlock the secrets behind titles, descriptions, and tags to get your videos ranking higher on YouTube? Well, you are in the right place. Today, we will be diving into where to find this YouTube description box and how to master your title, description, and tags to skyrocket your views and engagement in this year. Let's kick things off the basics. You might have noticed that every YouTube video has a description, but where exactly can you find it? As a creator, the description box is right beneath your video player, on the same page where you upload your video. It is where you add essential details to keep your audience understand what your content is all about. But here is the kicker. It's not just for your viewers, it's crucial for YouTube algorithm too. Now, let's talk about one of the most important things, your video title. Did you know that your title is one of the top ranking factors on YouTube? A compelling title can make or break your video's performance. Think about it. When viewers browse through YouTube, they only have few seconds to decide whether your video is worth watching or not. Your title has to grab their attention instantly. Always include your main keyword early in the title and don't forget to make it click-worthy. A good title should evoke curiosity, urgency, or offer value. For example, instead of how to rank videos, you could say rank YouTube videos at number 1 in 2025 with these easy tips. So, how do you master your YouTube description for ranking? First, think of the description as your video's introduction to the world. The first 2 or 3 lines of your description are the most important because they appear in search results and above the fold in your video preview. That's where your main keyword should live. Aim for a description that's around 150 to 300 words, naturally including keywords, but keeping it conversational. But it's not just about stuffing keywords. Google and YouTube both value quality content, so make sure your description is clear, concise, and valuable. You can even break up your content using timestamps to help your viewers navigate your videos easily. If you are discussing different topics, timestamps are a game changer. Here is an insider tip. Your description doesn't just help viewers, it helps YouTube too. YouTube uses a description to understand what your video is all about, so make sure you're telling it clearly. And let's not forget links. Add a call to action, encourage viewers to subscribe or link to your website. Alright, now let's move to tags. Tags are often an overlooked element in YouTube SEO, but they can really make a difference. Tags help YouTube understand what your video is about. When you add a relevant tag, you increase your chances of appearing in suggested videos and search results. But here is the trick. Use a mix of broad and specific tags. For instance, if your video is about YouTube SEO, tags like YouTube ranking, video optimization, and SEO tips will boost your video's visibility. You can even use tools like vidIQ and TubeBuddy to help you find the best tags for your niche. These tools can show you what tags successful videos are using, so you can stay ahead of the curve. Now let's talk about the golden formula. When you combine the perfect title, description, and tags, they work in harmony to maximize your video's visibility. Your title hooks viewers, your description provides more details, and your tags help YouTube algorithm understand your content better. But remember, consistency is key. Don't just optimize for one video. Use the same strategy for all your uploads. This will increase your chances of being recommended by YouTube's algorithm. To take your optimization game even further, track your video's performance in YouTube Analytics. You can see how well your titles, descriptions, and tags are working in real time. If something isn't working, tweak it. Over time, you will get better at optimizing your content and boosting your views. And here's a bonus tip. Don't forget to optimize it for mobile. A large portion of YouTube traffic comes from mobile users. So your description and titles should be optimized for smaller screens too. Keep your key points upfront and easy to read. As we wrap up, remember this. Mastering YouTube titles, descriptions, and tags is crucial for ranking and growing your channel. Consistency, strategy, and a bit of creativity are all you need to succeed. So go ahead, start optimizing your content and watch your views soar. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.